How to dropship from AliExpress to Shopify. Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you step by step how to dropship from AliExpress to your Shopify store without any paid version application, and I will guide you with the simple process to find and import products and also customizing your product information by using the free version application. So make sure to finish this video until the end to be able to dropship 1,000 products to your Shopify store even you are a beginner. So without no more talking, let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then after creating your account on Shopify and verify it with your email address and phone number, then go to, and I will give you on this video, then on this video we show you as an example how to dropship this product from AliExpress to your Shopify store. Then guys, open your Shopify dashboard, then scroll to the bottom and hit on settings. Then guys, first I will show you how to download the application on your Shopify. Then go directly to apps and sales channel. Then guys, hit on Shopify App Store. Then guys, in the search bar, type Deezers. As you see guys, Deezers AliExpress dropshipping. As you see guys, this is the easiest application to use for dropshipping from AliExpress to Shopify because it's easy to use and also it gives you a free plan available, bulk orders, a basic mapping, manage 3 stocks and 3K products and 3,000 products, automated order status synchro, automated tracking, no synchro, and synchro tracking, no to PayPal. Then guys, this is the easy application to use even you are a beginner or professional user on Shopify. Then hit on install. Then we will give you a simple process to install and link your application with AliExpress and also with your Shopify store. Then guys, first hit on install and the bottom, then to download this application and install application on your Shopify dashboard. Now guys, this is the dashboard of your Deezers application. First guys, you need to link and log in and authorize first. Then hit on login and authorize to link your Shopify store with Deezers application. Then guys, select your email address and password and create the password and login and authorize. Then guys, login and authorize. Are you sure that you want to use the currently logged in Deezers account? Yes, then hit on confirm. Now guys, this is the dashboard of your application and I will show you how easily use this application and import product from AliExpress to your Shopify store by using this application. Then it's very easy guys. First go and hit on home on the top. Just hit on home on the top and the left. Then guys, you need to add this Deezers extension to your Shopify store. Then hit on Chrome extension. Then it will take you directly to add this extension to your Shopify store. Then just because I have already added this extension on my browser, just hit on add extension. Then go to the icon extension and make it pin. Then automatically your extension it will be added to your browser. Then guys, after adding this extension, just hit on extension. It will select the shipping, all shipping, countries and currency. Then hit on update setting. Then guys, after creating your and adding extension to your browser, just go to your AliExpress product, for example this product. Then I will show you first how easily import this product from AliExpress to Shopify by using the Deezers application. First guys, just scroll down. As you see guys, the Deezers bottom it will appear automatically after adding this extension. Then hit on add Deezers. As you see guys, AliExpress product import success. Then open, you just need to go to Deezers application, then reload the page. As you see guys, go to directly to import list on the left side. Then you will find your product the AliExpress product. As you see guys, this is the AliExpress product. It was imported successfully. Then before adding the product to your Shopify store, you need to first edit product. Then hit on edit product on the bottom. Then guys, first you need to customize the title and reference and everything. Then guys, I prefer to reduce the title, for example manufacturer fastest skincare beauty message. Then remove all of this. Then guys, after customizing the product and go to reference weight, left, weight, height, then go directly, then hit on save. Then guys, before go to variation section. Then guys, as you see guys, this product has two variation. Then you can easily select the colors, pink, white, the product cost and shipping cost, taxes, total cost. As you see guys, it's imported everything about this product to your Shopify store. Then guys, if you want to edit, for example, the price, the compared price, or if you want to edit your stock on store, for example, just 20, then also 20. As you see guys, it's very easy. And also the price section, you can easily enhance or reduce the pricing section. For example, $9, everything. You can easily customize everything on your product. Then guys, go directly to the description section. As you see guys, the Deezer's application also import everything on description, also with the picture guys. Then guys, go to the image section. As you see guys, also the Deezer's application import all image, and you can easily drag between and remove each picture, or if you want to add some picture, just hit on download to add more pictures. Then guys, and the last one, shipping info. Then guys, you can easily add the SKU if is an optional on Shopify. Then if you want to add an SKU, and hit on ship to which country that you want to ship this product. Then guys, after select, for example, United States, then hit on save on the bottom. Then guys, after customizing the product, just go and hit on push to store. Then before push to store, you need to select which store that you want. If you have more than one store, just select which store, for example this one or this one. Then guys, make sure to select push all image to your online store, and the manual price update and automatic price update. Make sure to select the three lines in the bottom, and select automatic price, manual price, and push all image to your Shopify store. Then after finishing customizing the product, just hit on push to store and wait a few seconds to add this product to your Shopify store. As you see guys, your product is uploading to add it to your Shopify store. It's take a few seconds guys. Now guys, your product was imported successfully to your Shopify. Just go to your Shopify store and hit on open your Shopify dashboard, then open product section. As you see guys, your product was imported successfully. Just open up the product. Now the same title and description, also the image, everything about this product, and also the variation was imported successfully. Then if you want to add something, or you just go back to see your product on online store, just hit on preview on online store. Then guys, this is your product on online store. As you see guys, this is the easy method, and you can easily import 1,000 products from AliExpress to your Shopify. Just go and open, for example, Shopify AliExpress account, and just as you see guys, the Deezer's icon, it will appear automatically on each product on AliExpress. Just if you want to add this product to the Deezer's, just hit on add Deezer's, then automatically the product, it will imported to your to Deezer's application. Just go back and open import list, then wait a few seconds. Then now the product with the easiest twist was imported successfully to your Deezer's. Then guys, hit on push to test, push to store to add it to your Shopify store. As you see guys, this is the easy method to import product from AliExpress to your Shopify by using this application with the simple process, even you are a beginner. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.